In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vision board with Miro. With a vision board, you're essentially crafting a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. This can be a powerful tool for motivation and clarity. Miro, a versatile online collaboration platform, offers an excellent way to craft these boards digitally, allowing for creativity and customization. Let's dive right into the process. The very first thing we'll do is insert and customize the template. To do this, start by opening your Miro board. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a variety of tools and features in the toolbar. Look for the Templates panel, which is usually represented by a grid-like icon. Once you open this panel, you'll find yourself with a multitude of templates, everything from flowcharts to brainstorming layouts. What we need is the vision board template. Now, in the search bar within the Templates panel, type in Vision Board. This search will help you quickly locate the template you need among the many options available. Once you've found it, click on the Add to Board button. Doing this will seamlessly insert the Vision Board template into your Miro workspace. At this stage, you'll see the template positioned on your board, ready for customization. Once the vision board template is on your board, you can start customizing it to make it truly reflect your personal aspirations. Consider what you want to achieve. A mix of personal, professional, short-term, and long-term goals is often a good balance. Begin by thinking about the images or words that resonate with you and align with these goals. You can upload images from your device using the Upload option in the toolbar, or use the built-in image search feature to find inspiration online without leaving Miro. As you place these elements onto your board, feel free to resize, move, and arrange them until they fit your vision perfectly. The idea is to create an arrangement that not only looks visually pleasing, but also inspires you every time you look at it. Add text boxes to label your goals or write motivational quotes. Make it colorful and vibrant if that energizes you, or keep it minimal and focused if that feels more aligned with your style. In Miro, collaboration and sharing are easy, so if you're working on a vision board with friends, family, or colleagues, invite them to view or edit. This can make the process more fun, and you might gain new perspectives on your goals. Once you're satisfied with your vision board, take some time to review it. Make sure it encompasses everything you want it to. Save your work and set aside regular times to come back to this board, whether you decide to update it periodically or simply to reinforce your focus. The key is consistency. And there you have it, a digital vision board using Miro that captures your dreams and desires, uniquely tailored by you. Happy visualizing!